Today, um, I thought of talking about Korean dramas with you because who doesn't love Korean dramas? I mean, I was never fond of the Korean dramas, but eventually I fell in love with the Korean dramas only because I started connecting to the stories, their no, all the characters. I mean, it doesn't matter from which country or which nation or which religion or which part of the world you are in, but eventually or immediately you will get connected to the Korean dramas because the stories or the characters which they portray in the Korean dramas will no, it's so simple and so authentic, and it's so intense in the relationships and the love and romance what this show in the series. Oh my god, I mean, yeah, people who do watch the Korean dramas will definitely connect to what I'm trying to say. And recently, I just watched the series When Life Gives You Tangerines. You know, the series definitely is the top notch of Korean dramas, and oh my god, the character, the simplicity of the series. I mean, everybody on this earth should and must watch the series. It's the romance of, that innocence, and that's so beautiful. And this is the one series which I will recommend to everybody. So everybody must watch this series, and you know, it's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm in love with the series. Definitely would love to watch it again. You know, when life gives you tangerines and you have someone with you, just, yeah. And you will not forget me for recommending this series. And would love to watch. And who is not fond of Korean dramas, please to watch this series and you will fall in love with the Korean dramas and you will never come out of it. Okay, bye.